Hello everybody, this is already part 94 of an automotive vlog on restoring my 2003 Jaguar S-Type 4.2 V8 Sport. Time to reattempt the sturdy differential pinion flange with a heavy-duty puller and, following your advice, a little heat. I was looking for a disc-shaped puller with 3 slots to have bolts inserted, but this was the only one to be delivered within a workday, and at least it will fit. Unfortunately, also this is missing a flat end piece, so I can't install it directly here on the pinion shaft, so we'll again have to use the end piece which came with the wheel hub puller kit. So let's try to get this perfectly centered. So let's get started. I guess that's enough tension for now. I still can't see anything coming loose. I will now add a little more pressure from the top. I sincerely hope this noise came from here. Yes, it's spinning freely. So let's take this back to the workbench. Of course I couldn't get it further down because the pinion nut is still inserted and now tight again. I sincerely hope that's the last time now this puller must be installed. And here's our pinion flange. Let's take down the seal and pull out the pinion itself. Voila! It seems the seal ripped apart and its inner portion is still inside here. There's also a shim which mustn't be damaged. Let's give my bearing puller a try. Unfortunately the puller doesn't hold on the metal part, but on the rubber part of the seal, I want to say. And it took me half an hour to recognize that this seal has a lip on the outside as well, just as it was on the 2 sides. So let's just repeat what I have done there. So here we are now one time around. Yeah, and here it goes. Here's the spacer I mentioned before. This is already damaged on the inner side. Now I can take out the roller bearing, and finally the bearing race has to be removed as well. Those 2 cutouts in the housing should allow to simply knock it out. It doesn't seem that there's been any movement so far. I don't want to hurt the edges on those tiny spots, so I may better use a bushing driver. Correct size is 55 millimeters. Still no movement. So here's our bearing race. This has been the outer one, now up to the inner race. The procedure is the same here, it just needs to be executed from the opposite side. Unfortunately I can't insert a properly sized bushing driver here. So the first step is cleaning up the surface. Let's give it a try. On this side it was moving. And here's our second bearing race. There's one piece still inside. There's a large spacer underneath the right hand side roller bearing. That's it again for today. Next week I will try to remove the remaining 3 roller bearings from the pinion as well as the gear carrier. If you enjoyed today's video, you may want to give it a thumbs up or even subscribe. See you back on my channel next time. Goodbye.